Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download Roblox Delta Executor. To download the Roblox Delta Executor, open your browser, search for Roblox Delta Executor. From the search results, look for the official site, usually the first one, labeled dtexecutor.com. Click on it, and you'll land on the Delta Executor homepage. Here, you'll find versions for Android, Windows, and even the Delta key. Choose a version that fits your device. For example, I'll select Windows. Once you click your platform, scroll down the page until you see the Downloads button. Hit that, and you'll be redirected to a page where you'll see Download Delta for free. Click Download Now, and your file will begin downloading automatically. Once it's done, just double-click the file to begin installation, and that's it. You're ready to start using Delta Executor with Roblox. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.